Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby dozy day today. Bought myself a little treat, didn't I? Yeah, bought myself a little luxury treat. What is in this little Harrods bag? I'm going to tell you two things about this purchase. One, I had to buy it. It's not something that I had on my radar at all, but I had an experience and I had to go for it. I shall explain more.
StyledByGwenny here. Although I just said this wasn't on my radar, what I mean is it wasn't on my radar until I had the experience, and then it very much became on my radar, and I even added it to my 2024 luxury wish list. So this is effectively my first luxury wish list unboxing of 2024.
And the second thing is, I got 10% off because I'm a Harrods Rewards member and I was able to choose 10% off days. They run them regularly for Harrods Rewards members, but when you reach a certain level, you're able to pick one or two 10% off days of your choosing, so you don't have to wait for Harrods to decide to do it. You can pick a day and say, right, I'm going to do all my shopping on this day and I'm going to see what goes 10% off. Doesn't work on every brand or everything, but it worked on this. So, what is it? Why did I need to buy it? It is a perfume, and it is a Loewe perfume, and this is the Man Eau de Parfum. And frankly, I had no choice. I had to buy this. When I bought my mini puzzle, which I'm looking at up on the shelves over there, with a little precious tiger Louis Vuitton charm on. She's so cute and gorgeous. Perfect colour combination with the teddy jacket. Ooh. Focus, Gwenny, focus. When I bought that puzzle bag, I bought it in store in Harrods. It was all packaged up lovely in a bag with some tissue paper. Now the tissue paper on the top of that bag, on the top of that packaging, had been sprayed with a scent, and I became utterly obsessed with it. So I was sticking my nose, I was holding this tissue paper at home, taking really deep breaths. I needed to know what it was and if it was something I was able to buy. Had a look online, couldn't make head nor tail about what it was, how it, which one it was. There were no clues. So the last time we went to Harrods, I went down to Loewe, to the handbag concession on the ground floor. Found the guy that I spoke to last time and who managed to find the card holder for me. Was it the card holder? Yes, it's when I got the card holder. I did love the fragrance when I bought the bag, but it was when I picked up my card holder, which was free, and I'll have that video linked down below. Another perk of being a Harrods Rewards member. I have a link to sign up to be a Harrods Reward member in my description. I'm not an affiliate, but sign up, get the perks. Why not? It doesn't cost you anything. Also, signing up and subscribing to this channel doesn't cost you anything, but hopefully it will result in some fun for you. Anyway, so where was I? Yes, obsessed with it. By the way, not sponsored by Loewe, not sponsored by Harrods. Again, either of them want to sponsor me, I'm here for it. Now Loewe, when they package up, I don't know what fragrance it is, but it's really nice. They put this lovely bit of tissue paper on top of the bag and then they spritz it with some sort of perfume and it smells delicious. It's really light and fresh, but it has got that little underlying spice in there. Found the guy that, the client advisor who'd helped me with the card holder, and he whipped out the scents. And depending on which side of the concession, you got a spray of the woman eau de parfum, or you got a spray of the men's eau de parfum. And I say woman and man because they are called woman and man. And yeah, so he confirmed it was the man's. We had a little sniff and I said, yes, I need it. Where can I buy it, please? And he sent me over to the other department where they sell all the candles and the fragrances, another little Loewe concession. And they gave me a couple of testers as well, and these testers are for a fragrance called Dore. bay door. And I believe this is a special edition scent that is only available at Harrods, I believe. So I've got a couple of testers of that to try out as well. It says it's cinnamon, myrrh and vanilla, so it should be right up my alley. But this is the one we need to get into. This is the one we need to get into. So I bought this. I was all overexcited when I got there. So I was like, hello, I need to buy some man eau de parfum, please. And the guy was like, all right, love, let's calm it down a little bit. He didn't. He was really, really sweet, really lovely. Oh, I'm not going to be able to get in now, am I? I'm not going to be able to get in. He was really, really sweet. He was really, really lovely. He gave me some other stuff to try out, rang me up, and off we went. So it's in this box, which looks like it is... Oh, okay, so it is a little hinged box. Look at that. Very simple, very pretty. Whoops, packaging, I dropped it. And it is Loewe 001 Man. Now, has it got tasting notes on it? I will find the tasting notes on the Loewe website because there are none. There are none on here. I'll find the tasting notes and I'll pop them up on the screen. But what I am going to do is, look at that. Look at that detail, the anagram in this wooden lid. So simple, so beautiful. I'm so excited. So I cannot tell you. Oh, it's fresh, it's citrusy, it's zesty, and I normally go for really heavy, kind of oudy, kind of really heavy. It makes me think of hot nights wrapped in velvet. What? And just all very heady and very heavy, very velvety, very intense fragrances. But I wanted one that would be much lighter and much more of a daytime kind of fragrance. Oh, divine, absolutely divine. Do you have any Loewe fragrances? Could this be the start of a whole new thing for me? Could be. Who knows? I do like my perfumes. Do you have any of the Loewe fragrances? Do you have any of the Loewe candles? Are they worth shelling out for? Do those fragrances last? Do they linger? Do they make your house smell, make your home smell beautiful? Did have my eye on the cucumber one. Got to try it out. Actually, Dale got a cucumber one last year for Christmas from Meredith. What is it like? Give us an update, please. Has this inspired you to try some Loewe fragrance? I'm going to be in heaven. There is still a little bit of a spiciness to it. I'm just glad that I can smell it through the lurgy. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I hope you've enjoyed this video, even a fraction of how much I enjoyed it. If you did, please show it the thumbs up love. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. No, wait, hold on. That's the other spiel, which I haven't done. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to others. Still not going through. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to others. Stay fandabby-dozy. Stay... Got the anagram on the little spray thing as well. Whoops. Don't want to press it down too hard in case it squirts it. Stay fandabby-dozy. This is an absolute car crash. And bye-bye.